What is or what are GIS primitives? So primitives are the basics, are the basic building blocks. So in GIS or in GIS primitives, we have point, line and polygon. In every map, in every say geometric representation, you can represent it by point, line or polygon. Because GIS is basically hardware, software and humanware, dataware, combination of this. So this is a complete system. GIS is a complete system, total system. So these are GIS primitives, point, line, polygon. Okay, so let me show you what these GIS primitives are. They has, so points, these are the trees, you can show it by points, and these points are the vector layer. This is a vector layer. It will have the attribute also, that what is the height, what is the diameter. There are so many, these are just few I've showed you. Then we have lines. So if you want to show say some roads or this kind of features, say river, you can also use the lines here. So you can have different information here, width, depth, length, like this. So these are the line feature. And then polygons, if you want to show your house, you want to show a big say water pond, water body, then you will use a polygon. Polygon is not always a regular polygon, it can be like this also. So you can use either point, line, polygon depending upon what kind of map you are making, what kind of information you want to give. So you have to use GIS primitives. So this is how this GIS primitive work in various software. And you need to have a very broad idea about this point, line, polygon, because this is how actual map is being made. Cartographers are aware of that.